So look at this problem, the integral part of this. Okay, so what will happen in this part? I will first explain you what is the integral part. Integral part means whether it is even number, odd number, or this like of things. Okay, and later I'll explain you to find out the exact value of that integral part. Okay, if it is odd, then which odd number it is. Okay, now you know that the like suppose I am comparing a and b. So if I have a square and b square, the gap between a square and b square will be much more greater than the gap between a and b. Correct? Now look at this. So this is 2, this is 1. So square of root 2 is what? 2. Okay, so square of root 2 is 2 and square of 1 is 1. So you know that the gap is 1 in this case. But so if we will talk about the gap between these two things is less than 1. Correct? Because it's root now. Now look at here. So what I will do, we have root 2 plus 1 power 6. Now open this one. So 6c1, 6c0 root 2 power 6 plus 1 power 0. Okay. 6c1 root 2 power 5, 1 power 1. 6c2 root 2 power 4. 6c3 root 2 power 3. 6c4 root 2 power 2 dot 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 6c6 and then root 2 power 0. Okay, now similarly you know that this thing will contain what? It will contain some integral part, it will contain some fractional part, because root 2 is 1.414 and then we have 1, so it is 2.414 है ना. So it is greater than 1 na, and it is 1 point something, so it will have some integral part and some fractional part. Okay, so like I feel that till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. Now what I will do, I will take help of a minus b. Okay, so look at this. So we have root 2 minus 1 power 6. So now 6c0 root 2 power 6 minus 6c1 root 2 power 5. Correct? Plus 6c2 root 2 power 4 minus 6c3 root 2 power 3 plus 6c4 root 2 power 2 minus dot 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 plus 6c6 root 2 power 0 1 power 6. Okay, now you know that I have to eliminate irrational term. So do you think it is irrational thing, the first component? No, because 6c0 is a rational term and root 2 power 6 is also a rational term because it is 2 power 1 by 2 power 6, so it is 2 power 3, so it is rational number. It is also rational number, it is also rational number. So whenever the lower subscript of c is even number, it is rational. So and we know that we have to eliminate the this irrational part, correct na? So what I will do, like look at this, this thing will carry only fractional part. Okay, why I am telling you this, try to understand. So root 2 is what? 1.414. 1.414 minus 1, so it is 0.414. So the base is less than 1, and if you will increase the power, if base is less than 1 and you will increase the power, the value will decrease, correct? So it will have only fractional part. Okay, now you know that we have to eliminate the fractional part, correct? So what we will do, we will add equation this with this. So we will have I plus f dash. Okay, so we will have 2 times 6c0 2 power 3, then 6c2 2 power 2, then 6c4 2, and then 6c6. We will have this many things. Okay, now do some little bit of simplification on the right hand side. You know that 6c0 is what? 6c0 is 1. So 1 into 2 power 3 is 8. Now who is 6c2? So 6 factorial by 2 factorial and 4 factorial. So 6, 5, 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 4 factorial. This thing gone. So 5 3s are 15. So we have 15 into 4. Okay. So it will become 60. Now 6c4. 6c4 is what? 6 factorial by 4 factorial and 2 factorial. It is same thing. So it is 15. So it will become 30. Okay. Now 6c1 is 6c6 is 1. Now look at this. This is 60, 30, 90, 99. So 2 times 99 is 198. Correct? I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now we have this element as I plus f dash. Now we have to find out the integral part, exact value of integral part. So you know that f ranges from 0 to 1, but this f is not 0 because this is not a complete integer, na? It will have some value. Okay, so it is not 0. So this can also not take the 0 value. Same with this f dash. F dash is also not 0. Okay, so this will also have some non-zero quantity. Now look at this. We are adding things. Okay, so if you will add both the things, you will have f plus f dash less than 2. You know that this is integer and this is integer. So you will get integer only if this person is also an integer. So between 0 and 2, who is that integer? The only integer that exists between 0 and 2 is 1. So f plus f dash is 1. Therefore integer will become 198 minus 1, 197. Okay, so this is the integral part in this case. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations. Okay, like in this question you have added equation 1 and 2. Sometimes you have to do subtraction. Okay, then in that case what you have to do, you have to multiply by minus. You also know that in inequality, if you multiply by negative number, sign of inequality gets changed. Okay, so you have to take care of those concepts as well, and then things are done. I hope the idea is clear.